Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm so excited because I just got in my Beauty and the Beast collection. It's right there. And I did a Facebook Live and I wanted to share my unboxing with you. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So I'm going to get started. I just got my box of the Beauty and the Beast collection, and I am so stinking excited to open this up. You guys, oh my gosh. Okay, so I think the first thing I'm going to open is the Belle Scentsy Buddy, and I'm so excited. She's so cute. I don't know. I have to have more room on my shelf. I might have to put Little Mermaid away because the warmer's going to have to go there, but I'm so excited. Okay. Hi, Karen. So let's go ahead and open her up. She's still available. So is the Beast. So is the Chip and the Mrs. Potts warmers. So those are still available. You guys, I'm so excited. She's so pretty. Aw, Scentsy. Her dress is so divine. She is so pretty. She's got her little Scentsy on her high heel. She is beautiful. If you guys haven't remembered the Beast, he is reduced and he is stunning. How stinking cute are they? Oh my gosh. So cute. So cute. All right, so that is Beauty, and Belle, and she comes with her scent pack, which is the last petal. I gotta smell it. Let's see. It says pink grapefruit with sparkling bergamot. Kick off this radiant first chapter while scattered flower petals write an unforgettably romantic ending. Okay, whatever, Scentsy. So it looks like pink grapefruit and bergamot. And then some flower petals. Let's take a whiff. All right. How cute is that? All right, 1, 2, and 3. Ooh, I like that scent. I smell the grapefruit. That's pretty. I like that. Okay, so where does her scent pack go? Oh, so her zipper's a little different. Her zipper goes this way because of the way they had to make the dress. So once you put this inside, she is now a scented buddy, which is fantastic. She smells amazing. She is so stinking pretty. So there we go. We have Belle. I'm going to put her over yonder. I'm afraid to I'm going to move this out of the way. Okay, there we go. I need to make room for her. There we go. She's so stinking cute. All right, so now you guys, we're going to open up the new warmer. And you guys, it is so amazing. Okay, it's called Enchanted Love. Enchanted Love. And we actually have a video by the guy that designed it. I need to post that video. I sent it to my customers. Aw, break the spell. So cute. But I actually like him better as the Beast. Am I crazy? Am I the only one? I thought he was cuter as the Beast. I'm sorry. All right, so here's the dish. And this is the part that has Beauty and the Beast on it. Well, it has Belle and the Beast. All right, so let's go ahead and take this out. And this is a very different kind of warmer. They did like an LED. All right, so here's the dish, okay? And here is Belle and the Beast. Like, they're supposed to be dancing. How cute is that? Okay. And so now, okay, this looks like the top part. Let me take this out of the, it has like multiple parts. Oh my God, that's pretty. Okay, the top part is ceramic. And then the bottom, ooh, ooh. I need some grandkids like stat. All right, so this is the base. And as you see, it has the characters along the bottom. Super cute. Cogsworth. Look, it has everybody on there. It has Scentsy. And this is really cool. I love it. So it's ceramic, but it's painted gold. And then this, it's an element warmer, but this is an LED light, okay? So let me go ahead and start plugging that. Actually, yeah, I do need to plug that in because it has the LED light. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna plug that in. Okay, so you guys saw the bottom. You saw the base, okay? Now, this sits right here like that. But wait, there's more. All right, over the top, it's this beautiful ceramic piece. And what I like is how open it is. So it's really good for scent throw. Hi, Kim. And it has the roses around the sides. And then it goes over the top. All right, Vicki, do not drop this. Do not drop this. Do not drop this. Okay, so it goes like that. How pretty is that? See if I can turn this off and see if it'll show a good glow when we turn it on. The LED. Let me turn my light off. Hold on. There we go. All right. Hi, Jana. 1, 2, and 3. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Let me turn this off so you can see a little bit better. That is beautiful. Oh, so pretty. That is stunning. This is a gorgeous warmer, you guys. I love, isn't that pretty, Jana? Love the details. I know. Me too. Ooh, somebody screenshot that for me and send it to me. Did you do it? Because that's a great picture with her in the background. So pretty though, right? I love it. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful warmer. I think Belle and the Beast, you can't have one without the other. And the Beast, he is reduced. He was, let's see, no, he's not reduced. They just brought him back. Hold on. So he's 45, she's 50. I was thinking the Star Wars collection had reduced items, but no. But yeah, so Mrs. Potts, 75, Chip is 25, this one's 95, and they also brought back the bar, the last petal, which I really like. You need to get it with to go with Mrs. Potts and Chip. You do. You do. It's a beautiful warmer. I understand it's at a higher price point, but you kind of get what you pay for. Like, it's pretty stunning, right? Pretty stunning. I love it. So that is what I wanted to show you guys today. I hope you liked my video. I'm going to go ahead and post it on YouTube for my YouTube friends. But TGIF, I hope you guys are having a good day. I was supposed to go to work. Like, I should have been leaving right now. But I locked my keys in Caitlin's house when I let her dog out. So my boss let me have the first break. So I'm going to be going in late. But, so I was like, oh, I better make my video. All right, you guys, have a good Friday and a good weekend. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.